This how to 1 minute will show you how to add or how to make sitemap in Blogger. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to complete this whole process. First of all, log into your Blogger and click on Settings. Scroll down and search for Crawlers and Indexing section. Here you will get this Enable Custom Robots.txt options. All you have to disable this robots.txt option and then open your blog. Click on your blog URL and after your domain give a slash and write robots.txt and hit enter. Here you will get your Blogger website sitemap link. Now you can copy the sitemap link to use it to your Google console or anywhere you want. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.